How to share your location to someone on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to send location to someone on Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on this search button at the bottom right side, this search bot. After you tap on this search bar, now go ahead and tap on this search again and search for your location. So for me, let's say I want to search, I'm in India now currently. So after I tap on this India, as you can see now, go ahead and tap on this search button at the bottom right on your keyboard. So now tap on this places at the top right side. After you tap on these places, as you can see now you will see different places in India. As you can see now, Delhi, India. So go ahead and choose the one that you are currently in. So for me, I'll just go ahead and choose this Delhi. So after I choose this Delhi, all I have to do now, I'll tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this arrow, this share arrow. After you tap on this share arrow, as you can see now you can go ahead and search for the person that you want to send him your location on Instagram, or you can be able to see some suggested people on your Instagram account. So for me, I'll just go with this person. So after you select the person like this, tap on this send button, or you can write like a message like, I'm currently in India, or in this location, So after you type what you want to type, tap on this send button. So now this is how to send your current location to someone on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.